Sister Mac, Sister Mac. Who that a call me in this weather, you know?
Is me
Because me
fan
not
so I call
expect
you?
nobody to call me. In this a hurricane season, yeah. The Sister Mac, Sister Mac, Sister Mac. I come to ask you if you know nothing round there in the pantry there, can give me.
You have to go
Because
check down a Salvation Army.
after me collect a little pension money Friday, I me hear about the hurricane Melissa. Me dear ma, me was in a one supermarket and take up 2 bread, 2 pound of flour, 2 pound of rice, and 2 pound of sugar, and one bottle of syrup. And me dear ma, everything done. Everything done. Because the pension money can't stretch. So me buyer's card into how we can buy Sister Mac. As you know already, say little pension money not enough. And me hear say
Not
time
even
a
one
come.
tooth in a mackerel or tooth in
And
a
me no
sardine.
want the time come and me no have nothing in the house. Because me remember about Gilbert, when Gilbert come and me ain't got nothing home, me suffer, me suffer, me suffer. So me say, me nah sit down and farm full talk about the time now come. And no go buy two listen. So me take little pension money and go see if me catch something and put on. Me dear my friend, last week till now me there look for this time and it no reach here yet. And true, me can't go a ground, me can't go a church, nothing no dey home for me do, because for me wife, eh, for me wife gone put up, she not go on with nothing again, and me was not go on with nothing. So nothing no dey for me do more than sit down eat and watch the news and watch what go on with the stamp on TV. So me dear ma, me heat off the bread when me get only left one no more slice out of the bread. So all the bottle of syrup me drink here so till me dash away all the bottle. Nothing for me eat. So me don't know if you have anything round there can give me car right as me
Right as
talk to
you
you.
talk a little porridge me have for fire, me
Me
know
a
you no
cook
drink
from
porridge.
morning, nothing me no eat. Nothing is like gas take me up. Boy, me I tell you, me ain't know say when the rain a fall and it something as so me coulda hungry. Cause long time me no hungry, so you know. Cause through me up and down all about over the place, me not time for eat. But Lord, because me nah go no way. I me dey sit down in the house, so the hungriness take me man and me eat off every God Almighty thing. So me don't know what you can do for me there.
Fancy, fancy. I want to tell you, say, the little much when me have, he done too. So, me I beg you, see if you find the pastor and go ask him if he can give you something. Pastor supposed to have whole heap of something, whether down a yard or up at church. Every month, food for the poor, give them rice, flour, and all sort of things. And I don't see where them are doing it. So, see if you find pastor and get little something, cause me no got it either. Me and you are friend, but the same thing where you suffer from, I hit me I suffer from, fan. So me no got it either to give you. The best person to ask a pastor. Every week you carry your half friend go to a church. You must can get back something from church.
Pastor,
What bring you by
I
at
don't
this
know if you
time,
can
Mass
help me,
Fanso?
Pastor. I check Sister Mac if she have anything can give me. But Sister Mac say she not got nothing much. So through me her friend every week. And me kinda run out here now. All and all me have a one God Almighty $2,000 underneath the mattress. That if me feel sick at night, me can call one taxi and me no one penny. So, Pastor, a little pension when me get, me done it off for buy things. And through me the home, I mean I do not know me heat off everything. So me don't know if you can help me, Pastor. Pastor, whatever you can do. Because me did eyes the big offering we collect Sunday. Me throw for me $100 in a hit. Cause that's all me be have. But when me cross me high and look in at the two offering bucket, me say me dear ma, the amount of money when me see in a hit, and when me look, me I say, then I hold them your church people can ball so say they no got money. And when me look pan the amount of $5,000 all US England pound when me take me I see in at the offering plate. So Pastor, me now why you tell me no say you no got money fi give me one money or fi give me two little something when me can have in at the house because the hurricane no come yet. I found when if it come and it still not reach here yet. And me still a look for it. Me have to hear when the government say he pass and it clear. Me now watch his social media and it this and it that. Me I wait till the government come out and say clear. All when me see the sky clear, me still not believe until me hear the government say we is clear now before me believe. Because if the government say so, that means say true. So me now listen to what social media say and when the people them pan there I say them a read whether and this and that because too much symptom and for me brain confused right here now. So Pastor, see what you can do for me because I no heat from morning and my belly a growl. So see what you can do for me.